The following video contains strong sexual content and is rated M for mature audiences only. Viewer discretion is advised. Our advice? Don't get caught.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed in fucking forever, so I thought tonight we'd do a little chit chat, get ready with me, just chill. Fuck! I've got that light on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've already said that back. I've had so many technical issues recently with lighting and batteries and everything, so I've sorted myself out. Not really. Anyway, if you hear any noise in the background, it's just Michael. He's sitting over there as usual. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Michael will probably chime in, so if you hear a voice, I may put some captions up on the screen just in case you can't understand them. Now remember, this is just to get ready with me. This is not a beauty tutorial, so do not come for me if my foundation does not match my neck. I am a little bit tanner than usual. It may look a bit less because of the lights right now, fading it out, but my foundation may not match because usually I am pale as fuck and I look dead half the time. It has been sunny here in Scotland, weirdly enough. I have not filmed it forever, so I just really want to skip into the get ready with me part and keep this intro short.
Enough, just get
right, enough, I know. Let's just jump into the video. I'm just gonna mix like 3 foundations because I really don't know my skin colour right now, but this is clearly not it.
You're mixing a cream and a liquid.
Jacqueline, her up, bitch. That's what I learned it. From the Queen herself. Oh, me and Ross went camping last week, and the camping part was sort of shit and a failure because we didn't really look into the campsite, but it was really fun. The next day we went to this beautiful lake where these fancy fuckers had the boats. So this old woman was sunbathing on her boat with one leg hanging off the boat, and I was walking, they obviously didn't know I was coming, and I seen him suck on her tit.
That's so glamorous, I want my tits sucked on a boat.
And he was
I'm more likely to get fucked in a while.
when he was sucking her boob, when it came off, it sounded like a trumpet. It sounded like he was blowing a trumpet. Feeling obviously like
and the trumpets they go.
so it's a bit bored.
There goes your AdSense.
Fuck my AdSense. I do it for the people. I need some hot juicy topic to talk about, guys, because I haven't been here for so long that I need to keep you entertained, obviously.
What is the most overrated thing about sex? Like,
The man. See, my last ex, he did not like watching porn at all. But the thing is, I wanted to watch it to get you in the mood. And I was like, it's just me that's here, and like, you can watch porn. And he's like, no. And he was expecting me not to watch porn. And I'm like,
wait, did you weren't with him either? Like,
I don't really get the big idea when people say to their partners and stuff, do not watch porn, that's cheating. Like, bullshit, that's nowhere close to cheating.
See out all the pornos you've watched, can you remember most of them?
My own.
I mean, it has been about 2 years since we got this, you wouldn't know.
3.
That's tragic.
I don't even know the reason anymore. I think it's just because I can't not be asked. And I do think it's because I'm fatter now.
Yeah, no, you're Roxy Andrews, you're thick.
I'm thick with a C. But let's be honest, I'm fat.
Back rolls.
No, I think it's like a self-conscious thing as well because I don't feel good in myself. I don't want to have sex with someone else and take my t-shirt off and stuff. So it's really affected me that way. I really need to get my shit together. Oh, because another reason which will get me excited to start losing weight and maybe get a grip of myself. I'm starting college. So from 2 weeks from now I am going to be studying, and that's a big fucking deal for me. Since my mum passed, I'm not going to get into that because that's just too depressing. But I had like bad anxiety when before I used to not give a shit. But when I go places myself now, I get really freaked out, and I thought, fuck it, stop letting your anxiety hold you back and just do something you actually want to do. Maybe this will pull me out of my anxiety and I'll regain confidence that I lost before. And I'm just hoping there's like hot guys in my class, to be honest. I know I shouldn't be hoping that, but let's be honest. So I got to pick 12 modules and I'm super excited just to learn new things. So I picked script writing, which, could you imagine me script writing? Could be the next Shonda Rhimes up in this bitch. I also picked songwriting, directing single cameras, producing and directing multi-camera. So basically directing, producing, script writing and songwriting. It's just my dream. I cannot fucking wait. P.S. You'll never believe what I have just gotten into. I have been running away for years, biatches, but yous have caught up to me and dragged me, oh, no pun intended. Before, I never got the big deal with that. I didn't understand it. I was like, what the fuck is this? I don't find it funny or entertaining. Bitch! Now, me and Michael, all we've been doing is binge watching Drag Race. We have finished nearly every season except from 1, 2 and 3. Now I know all the queens and stuff. It feels I'm part of a community. It feels amazing. My favourite queen is probably Trixie Mattel.
Oh, honey.
She is fucking hilarious. Anyway, as I was saying about college and my anxiety, oh, I thought, fuck it, you cannot let it hold you back any longer. I mean, I'm missing out on loads of opportunities because of it, and I'm just sick to death of it. I don't care. I would rather be scared and accomplishing something than be scared and sit in my room and hide away. Sadly, I was at college a few years ago, and then that's when my mum gets sick, like out of nowhere, and at that time that's when I was studying sound production and I couldn't focus at all. I was going crazy, like mental. It's like a completely different person looking back, and I could never have got through that course ever, so I had to leave. I had a bottle of whiskey in my bag like every day. I had pills, so many pills. I touched wood, like I don't know how I'm still here to this day. It's truly just a blessing, the fact that I am here. Something positive did come out of that situation though, because I did get into music and songwriting, whereas before I never knew. I was only writing poems at home. Never thought I had a good voice, never thought I could do anything like that. It never popped into my head until Annabella, a girl at my college, shout out Annabella, hey girl, she told me I could sing, and then we worked on a song for my mum. That's when I realised, I was like, damn, maybe I could do this. I have no motivation at all or creativity, I don't know why, for music. I feel as though I'm losing my passion for it, which is scaring me because I really want to do it forever. But for some reason this year alone has been hellish for me creative wise. I have not wrote that song, you know, that song that I can actually stand by and love, and it's really, really depressing and affecting me in a way where it's putting me off wanting to keep writing. And I know I shouldn't, I know I should be like just pushing and writing every day, but the motivation is almost gone, and it's scaring me because when I start college, what am I going to do? I'm not going to have the time to sit at home and think and write songs and stuff. But I suppose on the plus side, I am going to be studying the module of songwriting, so maybe that will pull me out and get my creative juices flowing again. Fingers crossed. Let this be a lesson to you guys. If you love something, do not run away from it. Doesn't matter what the world says. Do your fucking thing. Whatever makes you happy, do it. Don't let your sexuality, age, or anything hold you back, because you will regret it later. I love how I'm doing a get ready with me at like 4 AM. I'm basically filming this, doing my face, and I'm going to take it off as soon as I fucking finish. I have not uploaded a video in forever, it feels like, and I really do apologise. And it's not because of the lack of trying. I have tried to film this video maybe 5 times and everything has went wrong. Do you know how annoying it is to film for hours and then go to your laptop and realise something's wrong, like the audio's out of sync or something, so you have to delete the whole video? Ooh! It is the worst feeling ever. Ooh, look at that gold highlight of Hit Pan. I am obsessed. Feels like this brush is not the best to use with it though, because I need to clean up. Shit, I just put too much on. I'm just taking the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the colour Light to try and fix this overdone highlight on my head. Oh, I can see myself coming together, the real Scott. It's amazing how much makeup you have to use to look so mediocre and so natural. Guys who know nothing about makeup are like, damn, your skin looks so good, you look amazing. It's like, bitch, this is all makeup, good lighting, and face tune, honey. Okay. Oh, honey.
Oh, honey.
Oh, honey. What's wrong with being a catfish, bitch? That's why I prefer to meet my men face to face. Like before anything online, they've never seen me before, they've not had any preconceived notions about me. They just see me for what I am there and then they like me. That feels amazing. I'm still using my go-to liquid lipstick from Barry M. I love it so much. It doesn't leave that crusty ass edge thing that most liquid lipsticks do.
It's an asshole when you do that.
Don't asshole I see in here, you prick. Eyelashes. So thank you so much for watching us get ready with me. It was everywhere because it has been so long since I've done the last video. You do have to get used to talking to the camera again because it can become so awkward. Be sure to listen to my music via soundcloud.com/ScottMcGoldrick and follow me everywhere else. And motherfucker, I hear you. Be sure to subscribe, like, and all that other genetic bullshit and sit here. Love you so much, guys. Thank you. Mwah. That was a fucking hot ass mess. My eyelashes did my tits in.
I noticed that really did drip.
God forgive me, but it looks like I had a stroke. I was in Sky and there's someone on Grindr and his full like profile was just like scat.
There's someone.
And I was like, oh my fucking god, I love jazz, so let's do this.